Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is the Jensen V21 that I've been working on today. You can go back and look at the previous video that I made regarding this, where I assembled this. And first, I already had this plate and another part. This part goes to it. This diaphragm is not good. The diaphragm in here is bad, so I removed that, and I purchased another part from a friend, and so I assembled this together and just finished putting the spindle on it after cleaning everything up. So let's I got my audio generator connected to it, so let's let me let you hear it. It's on already. You might already be able to hear it. Let me turn it up now. So you can see it's good and loud. So I'll put this up, and it'll be ready to try out in a Leslie. And for those who don't know where it goes right in the back of a Leslie cabinet. See, look, see right here. See, that's where you would install it, right there. And so this is ready to go. Ready to be at least tested out, try it out on an organ, and I expect that it'll be fine. Okay, that's it for this video. Till the next one. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, taking care of some business here in the shop today. Till the next time, peace out.